Living well with yoga, thriving amidst chronic conditions. Hello everyone. In today's world of constant challenges, it is not a wonder to feel overwhelmed by the impact of chronic conditions. Yet, in the middle of this chaos, there is a way to get by and to flourish as well. Welcome to the holistic world of Punarjan Ayurveda, where we believe that everything is bestowed by Mother Nature. And this chariot of yoga practice will introduce you to your inner self and will guide you in. Through the great practice of yoga, one can join the brain, body, and soul in harmony with each other. Even if a person is confronting an ongoing illness, yoga can be an extraordinary excursion. It's a safe haven where recovery starts, and where people track down the solidarity to transcend their limits. Yoga is a compass that leads us in the direction of physical, mental, and spiritual equilibrium. It supports well-being through controlled movements, mindful awareness, and deep breathing. Through this divine practice, you will develop self-awareness. Also, you will be able to take charge of our health, to build resilience, and to embrace life with renewed vitality as a result of it. In this journey, we will learn to respect our bodies, pay attention to our requirements, and cultivate an environment where self-care takes center stage. It teaches us to be kind to ourselves, to find tranquility in the midst of chaos, and to draw on our own strength. It is a true blessing through which we embark on a path of self-discovery and transformation when we embrace the power of yoga. We interface with a steady area that comprehends the difficulties we face. Together, we construct flexibility, develop trust, and continue into bliss. In this ascension, there is ecstasy in meditation. In managing chronic diseases, meditation can quieten the mind and find inner peace. It improves overall health, well-being, and helps in stress reduction. In addition, meditation gives people the ability to overcome the difficulties of chronic diseases with resilience and serenity by fostering mindfulness and inner balance. Once again, live great with yoga. Flourish in the midst of all circumstances. We rise, heal, and live fully together. For more such valuable information about wellness and Ayurvedic cancer treatment, join us at www.punarjanayurveda.us. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.